How to prevent PTO damage to your Ford 801 when attaching the tiller. You see this right here? This is the PTO shaft. You've got to cut this shaft with a hacksaw blade, okay? And you've got to cut it right at the midpoint. And then you see how it's moving right there? See that right there? You don't want it to bottom out. See how it's like bottomed out right there? Okay, that's bottomed out. Okay, you don't want it to bottom out, because what's going to happen is, as you move this thing up and down, as you move it through the range, the length of this shaft is going to change as it goes through the arc. All right, so then there's something unique about this tractor and the way I got the tires set up. This PTO shaft is you know, I got a short shaft, all right? It's only about maybe 6 inches, okay? So that's the throw that I get. So you want to make sure after you hook it up that you go through the range up and down. You want to start back here like this, and then slowly work your way up and down through the whole range, okay? That way you'll prevent damage to your PTO, okay? All right, good luck.